How robot vacuums work. Robot vacuums look simple at first. They move around randomly, occasionally bump into furniture, disappear under couches for suspiciously long periods of time, and somehow still manage to clean floors surprisingly well. Modern models are much more advanced than early versions though. Many now map homes, avoid obstacles, and navigate intelligently using sensors and software. So today we are going to walk through how robot vacuums actually work and how autonomous cleaning systems navigate homes. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Robot vacuums automate floor cleaning. Sensors and motors control movement. Software coordinates navigation and cleaning. Chapter 2: Motors and suction systems. Electric motors generate suction. Brushes collect dirt and debris. Compact systems fit inside small devices. Chapter 3: Battery systems. Rechargeable batteries power the vacuum. Energy management affects runtime. Docking stations recharge the device automatically. Chapter 4: Navigation sensors. Robot vacuums use multiple sensors. Infrared and optical systems detect obstacles. Cliff sensors prevent falls downstairs. Chapter 5: Mapping technology. Advanced models create digital maps of homes. Lidar and cameras improve navigation. Software remembers room layouts. Chapter 6: Autonomous navigation. Algorithms determine cleaning paths. The vacuum avoids repeated coverage inefficiently. Navigation systems optimize movement. Chapter 7: Obstacle detection. Furniture and objects must be avoided safely. Modern systems recognize obstacles dynamically. Pet-related surprises remain an ongoing engineering challenge. Chapter 8: Smart home connectivity. Apps allow remote control and scheduling. Voice assistants may integrate directly. Users can customize cleaning behavior. Chapter 9: Docking and self-charging. Robot vacuums return to charging docks automatically. Navigation systems locate the dock precisely. Charging resumes without human involvement. Chapter 10: Self-emptying systems. Some models empty debris automatically. Docking stations store collected dust. Maintenance requirements decrease significantly. Chapter 11: Limitations and challenges. Complex floor layouts remain difficult sometimes. Small objects and cables create navigation issues. Battery limitations still matter. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Robot vacuums represent consumer robotics becoming mainstream. Home automation continues expanding steadily. Autonomous household devices became increasingly common. To wrap up, robot vacuums work by combining motors, suction systems, batteries, sensors, mapping technology, and navigation software into autonomous cleaning devices. Modern systems create digital maps, avoid obstacles, and recharge automatically through docking stations. Smart home integration added remote control and automation features. Robot vacuums became one of the most widespread forms of home robotics. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.